Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. For this project I am using cushion cover which measures 45 by 45 cm, felt fabric of 2 different colors, scissors, hot glue, thread and needle. We need to cut out some petal shapes. For that I am using a small cardboard and cutting out a petal shape like this. You can use any size. I made here 4 different sized templates. Next thing we're going to use is the fabric. It is a felt fabric. Have a closer look. It is like thick and stiff. Going to use 2 different colors, white and blue. Now I'm going to mark it. Now I'm transferring the shape into the fabric. Once you transfer the shapes into the fabric, we can cut it out.
What did you want?
I'm marking a circle shape into this white color felt fabric. Here I cut out the round shape, just keeping it here. I'm using hot glue to attach the petals together. Using some glue in the center and attaching the smaller size to it. Then I'm going to use a bit of glue on its edge. Use the glue in that way. Use the glue in this way to get a shape of petal like this. And we need to go along and finish all the other petals the same way. Here I am attaching the larger sized petals into this round shape. I am using some hot glue. Just use some glue behind the petal and press it down to the circle shape. Then we can use the machine to secure it very well. You can completely skip the step to use the machine because the felt fabric and the hot glue work very well. But I want to show you 2 methods in the video. For the center part, I'm going to sew on this diamond button.
Here I am using a cushion cover which measures 45 by 45 cm. Then we need to attach the flower into it. We can either use glue or sew on it. I am using just hand sewing technique. Well, that's it. That's all for the video today. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. See you next time. Bye bye.
See you next time. Bye bye.